You might have heard about Hasta Yoga Mudras, and a lot of people are interested in the subject because Hasta Yoga Mudras are easy to perform and no such extra effort is required to perform mudras. But there are some guidelines for performing Hasta Yoga Mudras so that you can gain maximum benefits out of it. In this video, I will explain you the complete guidelines for using Hasta Yoga Mudras, so stay tuned. Welcome back, Namaste, Sat Shri Akal. I'm Sukhwinder Singh and welcome to Yoga Chatane, a channel where you'll find free content for improving your physical, mental, emotional and spiritual well-being. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so that you don't miss any of the health-related tips and updates. What are the guidelines for using Hasta Yoga Mudras? You can practice Hasta Yoga Mudras in any pose, while sitting, standing, walking, talking, watching TV or while traveling. Some Hasta Yoga Mudras give better result in a specified posture. Time duration for applying Hasta Yoga Mudras is 45 minutes a day, that is 15 minutes each time, that is 3 times a day, unless specified. Practice Hasta Yoga Mudras on both the hands simultaneously. One-handed mudra can be practiced, but its effects will be half only. Right-handed mudra will affect the left side of the body, whereas the left-handed mudra will affect the right side of the body. Make sure you practice Hasta Yoga Mudra with both hands. You can practice Hasta Yoga Mudras with deep breathing, pranayamas and meditation for better and quicker results. Hasta Yoga Mudras can be used with other therapies also. You can apply 2 different mudras at the same time on each hand, but mutually antagonistic mudras will not provide any benefits. For example, Prithvi Mudra on one hand for weight increase and Surya Mudra on the other hand for weight reduction will not have any effects. Some yoga mudras work instant in colic, earache and angina, but in chronic cases it requires a long and continuous practice of 15 to 45 days to achieve optimum results. If you practice Hasta Yoga Mudras along with yoga asanas, pranayama, meditation and proper vegetarian diet, then you will receive incredible results and benefits. This was all about the guidelines of using Hasta Yoga Mudras. We have a detailed videos coming up on each type of yoga mudras. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of the health related tips and updates. I hope you liked this video and it added some value to your life. If you think so, please press the like button and comment. In case if you have any query or if you are struggling from any of the health related issues, kindly comment and let us know so that we can make upcoming videos on the same topic. Thank you so much for patiently watching this video. Namaste, Sat Shri Akal.